In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Google Meet update in Google Classroom. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome back to iTech On Demand, and in this video I want to talk about the new Google Meet update in Google Classroom as of October 2021. Once students sign into Google Classroom, they will be able to see the Class Meet link is now accessible on the side of the class stream so that students can easily join and teachers can manage the link from the stream. So as you can see, there is no Google Meet link here, but there is a new Join button that students can click. Once clicked, students can turn their microphones on or off, turn their cameras on or off, and then join the Google Meet. Once students have joined the Google Meet, they will be directed to a waiting room until the teacher has officially joined the class meet. Any guests that are not on the class roster will have to ask to join and be admitted by the teacher before they can participate in the Google Meet. These new features will help make Google Classroom video meetings easier and more secure.